Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language in Hill Climb Racing 2. To change your display language setting within the Hill Climb Racing 2 game, first of all open the game on your device, and once you are in the home page, tap on the gear button on the top right corner. This will pop open the settings interface where you'll need to tap on change language. From the list of available language options, choose your preferred language from the list. Once you do that, the game will now be in the selected language, making it easier for you to enjoy the experience. That is how you can easily change your language setting within the Hill Climb Racing 2 game. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe and let me know in the comment section what language you chose and how much fun you are having with the game. I'll be back with the next video. Thank you for watching.